Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Erin with Snowberry Design Co, and in today's video, I'll be painting this layered Christmas wreath. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I started by sketching out and cutting the circle to trace. It's a little bit wobbly and it's not perfect, but I just needed a guide to start with. I drew the circle a little bit too dark, so I'm just going over my lines with an eraser ever so slightly. I'm using my $5 Artist Loft watercolor paints, and I've already pulled over the colors I want to use in my palette by loading up my paintbrush with the paint and then scraping the colors into these wells. I'm starting with this bright red berry. I'm keeping the berries really close together and then keeping them all right next to my pencil line. I'm adding these little groupings of berries. I don't want to go all the way around the wreath. I'm just going to leave some space to be able to add in some other elements later. Now I've mixed a soft olive green, and I'm going in and adding these large leaves, turning my paper as I go so that I can make sure they're all facing the same direction. Now I'm going in with this dark green and adding the same size leaf, just filling in the gaps. Next, I'm adding in these little stems and sprigs to my berry groupings and then filling in more of that white space. I'm just going right over the top of any leaves that I need to since they're already completely dry. I decided I needed a little bit more texture, so I'm adding in some detail lines just to my darker leaves to kind of mimic the sprigs I have going on with the berries. Next, I'm adding in some larger sprigs and added just a bit of blue to help them stand out a little bit. Last, I'm going in with this true green and filling in any weird gaps to help round everything out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like by hitting the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Bye!